Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf slice. Let's start by examining your grip, which is fundamental. A neutral grip is key. Ensure the V formed by your lead hand points between your trail shoulder and chin. For your trail hand, the palm should cover your lead thumb, with its V pointing in the same direction. This setup helps promote a square club face at impact, which is crucial for hitting straighter shots. Next, let's refine your stance and alignment. Many slicers inadvertently aim left, causing an out-to-in swing path. Ensure your feet, hips, and shoulders are parallel to your target line. For ball position, place it about 1 to 2 inches inside your lead heel for irons and slightly more forward for woods. A balanced, athletic posture with slightly flexed knees and centered weight sets the foundation for a powerful, controlled swing. Now, let's tackle the swing path, a major slice culprit. Aim for an inside-out path, feeling as if you're swinging towards right field for a right-handed golfer. This helps prevent the dreaded over-the-top move. Crucially, ensure your club face is square or slightly closed to this path at impact. Initiate your downswing with your lower body, allowing your arms to follow, promoting a more natural and effective swing plane. Finally, consistent practice with specific drills will solidify these changes. Try the 2-ball drill. Place a second ball about 6 inches outside your target line, encouraging an inside-out path. Utilize alignment sticks to ensure your feet and club face are perfectly aimed. Recording your swing with a phone or camera provides invaluable visual feedback, helping you identify and correct any remaining swing path or club face issues. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes to these drills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.